Okay, good morning, everyone. I don't know if you can hear me.
Yeah, we hear you loud and clear.
Okay, my name is Jude. I'll be walking us through on what we did, Bank of America, PCI DSS project. Uh, we been able to complete the project in a period of 6 weeks, and we had all the summary of what we did here. So I will walk us through. We'll have a bit of a lengthy slide, and also my colleague will be able to put in on the artifact. We started this project by discussing the background and explaining the Bank of America financial position as one of the leading financial banks in America. And we were able to bring up the history of how they started. We went back century behind to discuss the date because in 1904, the Bank of America came from the name the Bank of Italy, and it was being founded by Amandio Ganini, and it was serving the community that are really underserved. From there, Bank of America has grown through 1930 up to present and becoming the global financial institution with over 35 countries, and we have millions of customers. We touched a bit of their vision and the mission. And what was quite interesting is that we started by the governance and scoping, which is very vital in any PCI DSS project, because with the scoping, you will be able to map out what is important, and it will be also cost effective. If you get wrong in scoping, you end up spending so much and leaving what is important behind. From after the governance and scoping, we were able to map out the card data environment where we spend a bit of a time looking at the network diagram and how information flows and all that. And we also did a bit of trying to understand the card data environment and non-card holder data environment. We went ahead and we looked at the segmentation. With the segmentation, it's one of the key important activity we handle because it will help us be able to understand where we're trying to protect. Because we have a card data environment which is very critical in the PCI DSS project. We are able to assign roles, different roles, ATM specialists, uh, branch security officers, and back-end administrator. Then we entered the first task by trying to understand the system of Bank of America, their current posture. And we started by trying to identify the compliance gaps that is associated with it. We tried by having different kind of tasks to meet that. We did a gap analysis, risk assessment, and we were able to categorize the risk. After that, we also drafted a remediation plan to making sure that these identified gaps